What's up, everybody? It's me, your boy RJ. Today, easy thing. It's the EBZ. For the 8500s. Yeah, 8500. I didn't remember if this 8550. So, common with these, common lots, happens in blowers. You're running it, and it's kind of like boom, boom, boom. Sounds like it's misfiring, but it's on one cylinder. So, let's listen to it. Show you what we got here. Stay right there. One reason I cleaned it off the other day, but here's a reason that that's going to happen. Build up on your spark plug. Okay, first thing when you have it. So what these have here is the NGK cmr7h, I believe. You don't want to spend $12 on a spark plug, do you? Me either. So I got a crossover number that they sell at your auto parts store, but it's still an NGK, so you're getting one of the better spark plugs still. Get your spark plug tool, okay? This is a one size fits all one. Pushes in, pushes out, whatever. So you shove it in there. It may not fit in the hole. The actual opening of the blower. Alright, that's not going to fit. We're going to go with my regular one. I believe it's just a 5/8. So, yep, it's a 5/8. There you go. Look at that. The other day I was in here on it, messing with it, so it's loose. I didn't have to use something. This thing works great if you have enough opening to get it in there. Okay, so it's going to be a little hot for me because it was just running, so I got to scoop it inside the socket. Okay, see this here? Come here, show them. See that buildup on there? Got a little buildup. What happens with these is it gets a buildup. Maybe it's running a oil leak or bad fuel, and it clogs the actual thing. See, there's a little more buildup right there. There's not much because I scraped it like a week ago, but 2 weeks ago, maybe a little longer. Here's what you want to find. This is an NGK 3066. See, come here. 3066/cmr7h. It's the same spark plug. You know how these companies work because they don't want you to get the cheaper one. How much was this? $1.99?
$2.99. Then we got 25% off.
$2.99. Okay, this one right here. $12.99. cmr7h says it on it. Okay, what does that say on there?
Same thing.
cmr7h. This is the same spark plug. They sell this as code 3066 at the auto parts dealer. They will not sell you a cmr7h for that price. They will charge you 12 bucks. It's the same spark plug. It's the same number. Look up the 3066. It's just a scam by the companies to make more money off you. It's stupid, I know. So, put your new one in. As you can see the difference. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Come here. There's not just buildup that you see of gross. See this metal piece? See how thin it is? Look how thick the other one is. Can you see it pretty clear, kind of?
Kind of, yeah.
So, carbon and everything built up on it. So, we're going to go. We're going to replace it. Hopefully, if you got a backpack blower, handle blower, they came with a tool. If they didn't, like I said, it's a 5/8 spark plug socket. Our regular socket, the spark plug's nice because they got that rubber and all that depth so that it doesn't hit the end. There's quite a few different sizes. We get the 5/8 one. Put that on. Now, you guys didn't get to hear it doing it while running. You heard it right in the beginning. Well, it was kind of doing that all the time. Do you agree? All the time. You'd be running 10 minutes, you'd be fine, all of a sudden, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes it would never get up to it after a while. It would just keep puttering. So that's what you got, okay? If you're having that puttering, it's an easy fix. Since it could be oil, stuff like that, after we put this bad boy in, you want to do hand tight and then like a quarter or a half turn, okay? You don't want to go too tight with a spark plug, okay? Put the new guy on. We're going to check our air filter real quick. It's probably kind of clogged. And that bird laughing at me, he don't know. So, hope that helps you though for real. Yeah, see, I got oil in there. It's not bad though, but it is. Okay. Why? It's just an extra burn off. gross. I'm gonna wipe it down a little. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You on?
Mm-hmm.
With the new spark plug, you should not have so much puddling of your 2-cycle gas in there. It's almost just the oil from the gas. Like the gas burned off, but the oil's still in there. It's gonna be time for a new air filter soon. It's got a lot of crud. Sometimes it's okay to have a little oil. It helps catch the finer particles. They usually have some of the filters have this. Oh, there it is right there. And this. Some manufacturers tell you to oil this. Some say not to, okay? So, I think Redmax is the one that says not to. It's easy. I mean, what you need to do is take if you have a little air compressor with an air nozzle, like a pen type, you put it in your air compressor and tighten it and make it a blast of air. That's the best way to clean these. You can wash them and let them dry out. You just want to get all the water out of there before, because you don't want that going in your engine. I'm not doing all that. Like, man, but you ain't taking care of stuff. My stuff run hard. I do it every so often. I do need to do it. It's the beginning of the season. It's been raining for like 20 days straight. Why don't you do your maintenance? Because I can't get in my garage ain't big enough. I know, I wish it was. I'm going to work on that and get rid of some stuff so I have more room in there. If I can work in there. I wish I had double wide, but I don't. So, okay, so we did that to make it a little better. It's going to help some. Get a little better airflow, everything. Hopefully we'll burn up more of the oil in the... Okay, so something I noticed, I put it in upside down. I'm dumb because I just took it out. And what does that say right there? Can you read it on the camera?
Up.
Up. I'm an idiot. It's okay. You watch my videos, you know. I'm following dirt. So here we go, new spark plug. Why you gotta show me this? Well, first off, what I'm showing you is to save you some money on the replacement spark plug. All right, here we go. Not here, but if you saw it was pulling away, I wasn't doing that. It's a little stronger because it's fresh. I don't know how much, but it was. I could feel the pull in the thing. And it didn't stutter. It started up and it just went. You saw that? You saw the minute it started and you're like, oh, that's because you warmed it. No, this blower does that. That's why I did it, because it was just doing the put all the time. Correct? Camera person?
Yes.
Yes, it was. So there we go. We got a new spark plug. Cleaned this out. It helped it a little. I need to clean it a little better. Is it a street sweeper? I don't know. So that's it. That's your spark plug. NGK 3066. Save your day. $2.99. Someplace I found it for $1.99. I don't remember where when I was looking online. Probably Amazon. That's it. You got it. Save you some money instead of paying from $7 for the cmr7h on Amazon to $12, $13 at AutoZone or somewhere, or at your actual place that sells this equipment, because they're expensive. I get it. They gotta stay in business, but that's a lot of markup. All right, that's it. Any questions, ask below. If not, like, subscribe. I have more videos about this stuff. I work on trucks. Sometimes I'm just a complete idiot. Okay, I'm always a complete idiot. Listen, don't want you to come in here thinking you come from some knowledgeable genius guru. I'm an idiot. There we go. That's it. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day.